Now, welcome to the launch of Heat by Chesneys. I've been looking forward to this. It's not just a barbecue, it's an outdoor heater as well. It will do everything that a barbecue will do, and in a lot of things a lot better. But the first thing, you've got your standard barbecue. Now, the way that this has been designed is that you've got this lid here, which is concave. Now, what this does is circulate the heat, and you need that air circulation and heat to build up the heat if you're cooking anything like joints. When you come to cook on this, you would take the plate at the front, pull this down, which then focuses the heat away from your leg so you don't get hot, and focuses it all on the hot plate to be able to cook in. Now, you can cook conventional steaks, your burgers and bits and pieces on here, but then when you want to roast anything like joints, this is where this thing's quite clever. You rotate this plate, which enables you to sit joints of pork, beef, lamb. So often with barbecues, it's either on, full on, or off, and the modern ones have got all different types of baffles. It's like trying to run a steam train, whereas this has been designed with just one mechanism here. Pull it out for hotter, pull it in for cooler. Simple as that. It's very similar to on and off on an oven. It's much more flexible, and the heat is almost instant as well. So once you finish with it, you can rotate this plate back up, close the lid. Now, this is where I mentioned at the beginning of this, it's a dual purpose item, because this is where it gets extra special. You can then lift up the plate, close the door, and what you end up with is an amazing outdoor heater. And the great thing about this, it's so cleverly designed, it doesn't produce any smoke out the chimney. It's a proper bit of kit, that.